Today we'll be in Boca touring a luxury new construction model home in a brand new development with a resort lifestyle and amenities surrounded by the upscale shopping, dining, and arts and culture scene Boca is known for, pristine beaches and parks, different home designs to choose from, and plenty of options to custom build your home or move in right away without the wait. So if you're looking to buy a home here and want to learn more about what this community has to offer, my name is Rafael Gonzalez. I am an independent realtor that specializes in new construction and new home communities in South Florida. And I can personally assist and work with you throughout the process to find the right place to call home. So the model we're coming up to now is their starting size in their Boca communities, which is still incredibly spacious, built as a split 3-car garage home with 2,576 square feet under air, all on one level. And as soon as you step inside, the foyer greets you with 13 to 14 foot ceilings for more volume and scale. Built as a 3-bedroom, each with their own private ensuite bathroom, a powder room for guests, and a den off from the foyer, everyone has plenty of space from one another and more privacy. At the heart of the home, you'll find a gourmet kitchen outfitted with double ovens, a built-in pantry, sleek slab cabinetry, and quartz countertops for a clean and contemporary look. The sliding glass doors and windows overlooking the pool and backyard opens up the entire back of the home, pouring into the space with natural light. The primary is in the rear and is a paradise with 12-foot ceilings, a freestanding tub positioned in the center of all of the opaque windows, separating the dual vanities, dual walk-in closets, with views of the pool and the lake when you wake up. It is absolutely stunning. So if you're considering purchasing a home in South Florida, whether you're planning a move in the next couple months or in the next year, and want to know all about the new homes and communities there are, and guidance to navigate them all to find the right place for you to call home, reach out to me personally, and I can work with and help you along the entire process. Every builder and community is unique, and I have the knowledge and the experience with each and every one in Palm Beach, so I can help you make the best decision possible and keep you updated and informed every step of the way. Like what we're seeing today is in Boca Raton, which has everything you need right at your doorstep, with plenty of high-end shopping, stylish restaurants, beautiful beaches, and no shortage of fun things to do. You have Uptown Boca, which has Whole Foods close by, the Town Center, which is home to over 200 brands and luxury specialty stores like Louis Vuitton, Cartier, and Neiman Marcus, while Meisner Park is the picturesque landmark for downtown Boca with upscale boutiques and the Museum of Art. If you're a golfer, there's over 35 local courses that are a mix of public, private, and semi-private, and there's nature centers, beautiful parks like Sugar Sand, which my wife and I absolutely love, that has a carousel, a huge playground, and a splash pad, and a children's science exploring. And the community itself is the newest expansion of the Lotus brand in Lotus Edge. These communities have redefined what modern new home luxury looks like in Southeast Florida. The 100% contemporary home designs feature ultra-modern elevations, expansive floor plans, higher-end build quality and finishes, and a thriving resort lifestyle anchored by stunning entrances and a multi-million-dollar clubhouse. Spending the day soaking up the sun by the beach entry and lap lane pools, refresh in the cold plunge pool, dine at the full-service restaurant and bar, or relax and grab a drink at the Lotus Lounge. Kids can have an adventure every day with the splash park, teen club room, and indoor kid zone, and enjoy an active lifestyle with the state-of-the-art 24/7 fitness center, indoor sports complex, group fitness studios, and racket clubs with tennis, pickleball, and paddle courts. At Lotus Edge, there are no compromises with home designs from $1.5 up to $3 million. So if you are interested in scheduling a tour and want more information about this and other homes they have available here in Boca that I can help you build or that are move-in ready, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for the builder. I am an independent realtor and can help work with you with any home or community that you ultimately decide to call your own. Whether you're looking at homes for sale or exclusively new construction, remember to call me before visiting any of the models on your own so that you will be able to receive representation when you're ready to make a move on the right home. I've worked with this builder extensively and have experience working with and bringing clients to each and every builder in South Florida. There's a lot to take in exploring new developments, and I'm here to make the process less stressful and break down everything for you. So there is a huge benefit to have me on your side and answer all of your questions about the process from beginning through closing. And the builders compensate me on your behalf for my professional services and guidance throughout the process. So if you're looking for a home like this in Boca, or if you're also open to other communities in Palm Beach, I'll put my information up on the screen now so that you can reach out to me directly, and I personally would be able to work with and assist you throughout the entire process.